this place, flowmusic.app. It's part of Google. You sign in with your Google account and you can come up and we'll just start. I can show you what I have made from what I've seen. It is free and it's because you have created. There's no Creative Commons. You own it, and so you can put it in your music. And so you can just say create some vibe coding music for the background. Now I'm going to tell you, you can get into beats per minute. I had my grandson down here and we did a little bit of this. Told it I want electric violin, and he was wanting some scary music. Then he wanted to speed it up and slow it down. Then he wanted some country music. So we did several different things. It was a lot of fun. I wanted it to have some background music, and I may incorporate it here in the background. So you can just say I don't know, you can just say whatever you want. Use I can't even think. We'll just say mine went blank. Drums, and of course I don't know how to use the space bar. And so drums and guitar. So it's thinking, it tells the time to here. So it's creating something. Now you can get a lot more detailed, but it tells what it's creating. It'll come in here and put music together. And I made a little intro piece. I'll play that for you in a second. I am excited about this, guys. I hope you are. I hope you learn to use AI to your benefit. And because I think as we all grow and mature, we're going to see that this is not going away, and we got to learn to use it and leverage this for not just for fun, but also in our jobs. And that's everything I'm bringing here is how I'm using it. I've learned a lot from watching people on YouTube, and I'm excited to just share with you what I'm learning. So here's a couple. Let's check it out. Let's see if it goes through I think that's going out. It's probably a little loud, it looks like. So anyway, it's nice to have some music in the background and just go. Some people may not like it, but I don't know how that's coming through the feed, but that's a lot of fun. You ought to check it out. You can add lyrics, more energy, and then you can say this is an upbeat indie rock instrumental. It's kind of cool. And I'll just tell it to add some lyrics and see what happens. But this is fun side of doing this. It's just creative. It's fun. You can definitely add in a lot more. If you're into music, probably more than I am, you could tell it exactly what beats and tempos you want. It actually did video for me, and the video ran out because I ran out of credits. So you're only allowed so much a day, and every day the points reset. So that's kind of cool. I don't know how long this will last, but it's fun. And while that's generating, it's at 54%. Let me walk you through what I did for my little jingle that I made, and I'll show you the video too. I don't know how that'll come through, but what I did do was went to ChatGPT and asked it. It knows a lot about me because I post some of my thoughts about my YouTube channel where I want to grow and my podcast. So, and it knows my logo. It's not about perfection, but progress. So it made the lyrics, and I asked it to give me a prompt to give this prompt, and it did. And I was pretty happy with the words, how it came out. But let's play this. It added some song of words to this. Let's see how this comes out. Maybe I changed the wrong one. I don't hear any words. And see, this is just the way it goes. I don't know what I did wrong here. Nice. I added lyrics. Well, I just didn't wait long enough. I was a little impatient. Anyway, that's kind of cool, right? I thought I would just share that with you. So this is my song I had it create. Anyway, I thought that's cool. That's kind of been my little jingle all along. I would say back when I was doing just the audio podcast version, and I do plan on getting more of those out. But it's just a lot of fun, guys. So go check it out. It didn't cost me nothing. It was free. It can be fun for you. Get your kids, grandkids around, and just go have some fun. Make this music, and you can download it, and you can tell how long it can be to you. There's a lot of things you can do there. I'm just giving you a small snippet of what you can do. So I just thought this was totally cool, and I hope you do too. So I enjoy this stuff. So all these are songs I made, by the way. I was looking at what's going out on the feed here. And so all these are songs I played with in the last couple of days. Just totally cool.